Can you just talk about Samsung Next's particular interest in these sectors, health, fitness, healthcare more broadly?
It's this general idea that health is wealth. And if I bring it back to Samsung Next and Samsung, it's actually very relevant because I talked about our mobile footprint. Something that's really interesting to us is we have our devices on us 24/7 and we're always in front of screens. If we have that time with our customers, what sort of services or offerings can we provide that enhance somebody's health? So the most trivial example back in the day was a step counter, right? So you have that in our watch, you have that in the phone, and there's been this race among the big companies and the startups to think about different ways of giving feedback to users and customers about how to lead a healthier life. So for us, that's something we think about a lot in terms of how can we utilize our footprint and what are startups doing right now that are novel and what new services are people using that are interesting and fun. And then the second component to that related to our footprint, our manufacturing capacity, one of the big themes is just closing the loop. If you think about some of the larger companies or some of the efforts around reforming healthcare in the US, everyone knows that you have all these fitness trackers. People are monitoring what they're eating, how much water they're drinking, what they're doing for exercise. If you're not closing that loop with the provider, that's just data in the air. And what can you do by closing a loop so that your providers have that data and that can help and inform outcomes? And so if you think about, again, what we can do with screens, what we can do in terms of new devices for practitioners, that's something that's exciting for us as well.